In today's video, we're going to take a look at solving proportions. Here's an example. Suppose we have an unknown number, or value, over 3, and it's equal to 4 over 2. What we're going to have to do is somehow solve for that value of x. Now, this is called a proportion because we have a fraction on the left-hand side equal to a fraction on the right-hand side. And you can always solve proportions by doing something called cross-multiplying. Cross-multiplying just works like this. Take the x and you multiply it by the 2. So the upper left-hand corner multiplies by the lower right-hand corner. So x times 2 gives us 2x's. And then we write an equal sign. And then the lower left-hand corner multiplies by the upper right-hand corner. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. And then we just solve the equation as we would solve a normal equation. Since it's 2 times x, we're going to divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to 6. Here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video, work it out on your own, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. Alright, for this one you should have multiplied x times 3, giving you 3x, and 4 times 7, giving you 28. 3 times x, to get x by itself, we divide both sides by 3, and we get x is equal to 28 over 3, which you could write it as a decimal, or you can just leave it as a fraction. 28 thirds. We're going to take a look at solving proportions part 2. For this one, you'll notice that our proportion at the top left-hand corner, we have x plus 3 instead of just plain old x. Well, solving proportions still involves cross-multiplying, so we're still going to go x plus 3 times 9. But here's the difference. We have to write this as x plus 3 times 9, or 9 times x plus 3. And notice what I do. I put the x plus 3 in parentheses because the 9 has to be multiplied by the entire x and plus 3. So we go ahead and multiply the other two. 5 and 2 gives us 10. So 9 times x gives us 9x. 9 times 3 gives us positive 27. We distribute the 9 into the parentheses, is equal to 10. I'm going to solve that like we do a regular equation. We have 9 times x plus 27. We're going to get rid of that plus 27 by subtracting 27 both sides. That's going to give us 10 minus 27 is negative 17. And we can bring down our 9x. Still need to get x by itself, so we divide both sides by 9. And you get your final answer as negative 17 over 9. Here's one for you to try. So for this one, you multiplied x minus 5 times 5, giving you 5 parentheses x minus 5. You multiplied the 2 and the 6, giving you 12. Distribute the 5, so 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Add 25 to both sides to get rid of that minus 25. And you get 5x is equal to 12 plus 25 is 37. To get x by itself, you still divide both sides by 5, and you get x is equal to 37 over 5.